The front door control panel is located behind the door panel. You will need to remove it to replace it. Please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance with that task. With the front door panel removed, you can see the control module, red arrow, above the lower speaker. You will already have removed one of the connections, red arrow, when you remove the door panel. Working at the top connection, squeeze in on the tab, blue arrow, and pull the wiring connection out. Next, use a pick and gently pull out on the locking tab on the electrical connection. Press in on the tab and separate the connection from the control unit, red arrow. Remove the lower connection using the same procedures. They are not interchangeable and you cannot mix them up when reinstalling. Slide the forward single post mount, red arrow, towards the rear of the door and lift it from the mount. Then slide the control unit forward. You can now lift the module out from the door. This image shows the two hooks on the back, red arrows, and where they go on the subframe, blue arrows. If you are replacing the front door control unit, you will need to have it coded to your vehicle once it is installed. Use care not to touch any of the electrical connections with anything metal and make sure to keep it in its anti-static pouch before installing. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.